Hello everyone! Do you have this in your project? You are tired of ticking buttons? Let's make them more interesting. After you create project, first let's create some folders for better project structure. Let's add canvas, then we add panel, change its size and change its color to black. Then we are gonna create basic menu. Now we add button, which will be used for testing. This musical feature can be used on any kind of buttons. Next, add audio source to button, untick play on awake, and I already imported some sounds, let's drag one into audio source. All files used in this tutorial will be available in the description below. Let's create C# script called menu sound controller and open it. What we need to do is when we hover over button, we need to play tiny part of song, and when hovering over buttons, effect will be like we're playing song continuously. Let's add some variables and audio source reference. Feed audio source in start method. Create function on mouse hover play sound. Here we are using audio source.time, which controls from which second sound will be played. And that is part counter multiplied with part duration. And on end increase part counter. Let's create coroutine for fade in and fade out for better sound. In this case, fade in time will be 20% of part duration. So we increase volume from 0 to max volume in first part. In second part, fade out time will be 80% of part duration. So we decrease volume from max volume to 0. And let's call coroutine in our function. Now create bool variable coroutine running to check if coroutine is already running so we don't call it in the middle. Also need to check if we are on end of song and set counter to 0 to start all over again. And last, we need to implement pointer enter handler interface so we can detect when hovering over button. And we call our function. Let's go back to Unity and add script we just created to button and change button highlighted color so we can see better when hovering. And our script works perfectly. Now let's add more buttons so we can check it better. To change song, just select all buttons and drag new song to audio source. And that's it for today. I hope you liked this tutorial. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.